Because nakita natin na dun sa gera sa Ukraine and Russia, and then yun sa Iran versus US and Israel, nakita natin yung kahalagaan ng cyber defense. Dahil bago umatake, for instance, ang Estados Unidos sa Venezuela at sa Iran, isa sa mga unang ginawa nilang hakbangin ay yung tirahin yung networks ng kalaban nila through cyber warfare. That is why it is very important that we develop this capability of defending our resources, our networks.
Sir, going back to Japan, sir, napapansin niyo ba with this new defense agreement being taken and yung cooperation natin, meron ding efforts kasi na ibuhayin yung atrocities of World War II. Parang it's part of the parang malayang information ba to drive a wedge? Anong tingin
Yes.
niyo?
Oo. So, nakikita natin ito, yung mga effort na sirain yung relationship natin. At dito nga sa forum na to, nakita natin na 70 years na yung relationship natin as two independent democracies. Kaya't napakahalaga na huwag tayong ma-disrupt ng mga efforts na ito na sirain yung relationship natin. Dahil katulad niya ng sinabi ko kanina, kung 81 years ago, in 1945, we found ourselves on opposite sides of the war. This time, we find ourselves on the same side of that effort to promote a rules-based international order. Kasi yung ibang mga bansa, ang pinopromote nila ay yung sarili ng nilang mga interest, and they do this through coercion. No? Pinipilit nila yung gusto nilang mangyari sa region. Hindi naman po pwede yun. Kaya't mahalaga yung mga coalitions na binubuo natin, at isa sa mga napaka-importanting partner natin ay ang Japan.
Sir, there are apparently exercises going on repatriating Filipinos from Taiwan. Do we see an imminent threat from China at the moment, which is why we're doing the exercises to repatriate Filipinos?
No, it's part of the exercises, the non-combatant evacuation exercises or NEO exercises are part of military operations done worldwide. Now, ginawa na natin ito noong nagkaroon ng gera noong una, and so nagpadala tayo ng 2 barko sa Saudi Arabia. We did that already before para madala po natin yung ating mga kababayan at ibalik sila dito sa Pilipinas. But we found that very expensive. It was too expensive. So we are now trying to exercise and try to look for means that will make it more efficient for us to help our kababayans. For example, kung meron man mangyari sa Taiwan, kailangan po natin ilikas yung ating mga kababayan dito pabalik sa Pilipinas. At hindi lamang yung mga kababayan natin, perhaps even the citizens of Taiwan or other nations, no? We might have to help them, just like what we did before. We helped the refugees from Vietnam and other